Today I have a lot of crafts to do. I have orders. Your girl is getting orders. Yes.
Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world. Came from you. Say I do.
Hey friends, it's Queen Me Tata, and we are doing a craft with me today. And that's Nehemiah, Nico. Oh, that's PJ Maxx. PJ Maxx. Okay. Anyway, hey y'all, we are doing a with me, and we are doing a sublimation shirt, a memorial shirt that I learned how to do on Photoshop. I am in a Photoshop class. So if you should follow my TikTok, I showed you all the designs that I have. But yeah, I showed you the designs that I have. Right now I'm printing out the first shirt, and I sliced it on Photoshop. This girl on TikTok taught me how to slice stuff on Photoshop just this morning. And then I was like, girl, that's all? She's like, yeah. Okay. Let's get into it. So this is the design I made on Photoshop, and the little blue line, that's the slicing. So you have to add the tool. If you have Photoshop is $25 a month, and it's a good investment. It's kind of challenging if you did not know, because when I first got it, I did not know how to work it. But anyway, so you have to, if you do have Photoshop, add the tool right there. Once you add the tool, right click if you have a Windows, and if you have a Mac like I do, you have to slice, press it hard one time, go to the divide slice. Once you go to divide slice, okay, right click if you have a Windows. My phone about to die. Dang it. I reslice each image on Photoshop. And if you want to learn how to slice, I can make a video on that. It's very easy. And then I went to silhouette because that's what I'm using. And I sliced this side, and I'm gonna overlap this time. And you see her nose and mouth is still on this one, and then her nose and her whole face is on this. So I'm gonna overlap the pictures and see if it'll take the lines out this time. And on the Prince one, I got his whole face up into his shoulders. And on this one, I got his chin down. And I'm gonna overlap that as well. So let's get into it. Image taped down. Now it's time to press. 60 seconds. Let's go. I hope it's right. Fingers crossed. So when I press it, the larger shirt, you see the line right there? That's got to go. Hey y'all, so I was working on the ornaments while the printer was printing out the images again. Here I am about to heat the t-shirt to get the wrinkles out. So let's get into it. About to redo this print shirt. Okay y'all, this time it's like a little vibe going on. You see a little line right now. You really can't see the line that much, as you can see in this shirt over here. And the colors are popping more in the current shirt. See, BGU paper. I designed this on Photoshop. Remember that, y'all. I made this. design prints. Okay, y'all, craft for me. It's got a little bummy because I don't know how to get these lines out the little slicing. It's in the print shirt. If you can see, it was in, oh Lord. Here's my other projects. I am doing a memorial shirt. I tried to explain earlier about this slicing method I'm using on Photoshop. This is the only one I understood. I got it off TikTok this morning. So I sliced my images so they can be bigger. And this is how they came out. I have to cut this edge and I have to cut this edge. So I'm about to do that right now. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I learn how to get these lines out. That's good. Okay, y'all. So I've done 4 shirts. 3 came out right, 1 came out wrong. Yeah. I'm about to use the heat tape. We do not want this image to move while pressing. I hope it come out right. I am so happy. I want to thank all my friends who taking the time out to support me in my little business that I just encourage myself to do. If you're new here, I started doing this journey because it's a coping method. So it's too big. I'm trying to size it correctly. So let's continue. Okay, now I'm about to put the heat tape on the puzzle. So watch me. Let's see how it looks, y'all. Oh my God. Yeah. This is how it looks. Yeah, cute self. This how it looks. Yeah, cute self. Handsome self.
You understand?